Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raza from MR Tech Pro, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about some settings you can change for your WhatsApp for the iPhone, which will allow you to free up some space on your device. So with that, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go to your WhatsApp and then go to settings, and then from the settings you want to go where it says storage and data, and here you're going to select manage storage, and as you can see I'm using 3.96 gigabyte of my internal storage. And once you're on this menu, you want to tap with your finger where it says 1.47. so I'm going to tap here, and then you want to tap on the select on the top right. So I'm going to tap, and then you want to do select all at the bottom, and then hit the trash can to delete all the pictures. And yes, you want to delete the items, so delete. And if I go back, and now you can see I've already free up some space here, and you can repeat the same steps for the forwarded many times here as well. So I'm going to do again, tap select, and then select all, trash, delete items, and there you have it. And from this menu you can also delete the data from individual groups that you see that is using most of your data or storage, and all you do just select that group, and same thing, you can do the select and select all. So guys, if you can remember to do these steps at least once a month, not only you will free up some storage on your device, but also you're gonna have your device running smoothly. And with that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button, leave the comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching my video. This is Raza. See you on the next one.